Well, greetings everyone and everybody who is watching this video. Well, today I have this, and it falls under the category of whatever these books are about. Let's just see what they are. Open this. We'll go ahead and open it. Yeah. Yeah, we can open it. Let's see what's... Just see what's here. Looks like a helicopter of some kind. Like something by Italeri, or Italeri model kit, whatever it is. Bubble wrap. And this. The MH-60K Black Hawk. As you can see here. Looks like there's another one. And voila, another MH-60K Black Hawk. Now I've ordered another set of decals, and the decals I intend these variants of this Black Hawk to be right here are, of course, Thunderstruck and Venom, as a tribute to Black Hawk Down. Now I just have to wait a few more days for the Thunderstruck and Venom decals to come. Why do I want those decals? Is, of course, a tribute to, mainly, and of course, here I have where I got the idea, of course, to get the decals of Venom and, of course, Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck is, of course, Super 6-1, piloted by Clifton Philip Wolcott and Donovan Lee Briley, both Chief Warrant Officers. Warrant, mind you, and of course Venom was piloted by Chief Warrant Officers as well, by the names of Michael J. Durant and Donovan Lee Briley. So Super 6-1 Thunderstruck was piloted by Cliff Elvis Wolcott, and of course, Donovan Bull Briley. While Venom was flown by Mike Durant and Ray Frank. Now, of course, if any of you remember what happened in Mogadishu, Somalia back in 1993, with these helicopters here, but they're not the exact colors, I thought to build them as a tribute. And what's wrong with a few Night Stalkers on my ceiling? Probably nothing. Let's just see what the kits have to offer, because they're not shrink-wrapped. Now, Italeri, mind you, has these things here. So, I'm going to have to cut them. And here they are. Let's see what's in them. Well, it looks like for decal options, in either kit, this is all you're going to get. We'll see about the other kit as well. And it looks like you could only have the door on, as opposed to Super 6.1 and Super 6.4 when they had their doors off. So anyhow, I in fact choose to have the doors on. Ask my personal taste buds why. But I'm still waiting for the decals of Super 6.1 and Super 6.4, which are Thunderstruck and Venom. Ooh. What do we have here? Looks like these are your decal options back here. Let's check the other kit. I don't know what this is. One minute left, I better hurry. Well, looks like same story about the decals. And, of course, same instructions, it seems as though. Same instructions here. And of course, all this. And yes, I still choose to have the doors closed. And of course, glued on. Well, that's all I have for now. I will see you all around. And of course, Night Stalkers don't quit.